As mentioned earlier, during this lesson, we will be building a to-do list app. Here, you can see how it looks once finished. Our main activity contains a list of tasks ordered by priority. Each task includes the date in which it was last updated. We also have a floating action button to add a new task. In this new activity, we can set the description and priority. Once we save, our task will be displayed in our list. We can also click on our task to update it. Again, our modifications will show on the list. Finally, we can also swipe to delete. Initially, our list will be empty as we do not have a database, and we will have to implement all the missing functionality. Let's have a look at the starter code. As you can see, we have main activity, which sets up our recycle view. The item touch helper will be used for the swipe to delete functionality. Finally, we have the floating action button. Our recycle view uses a task adapter to populate the list. For that, it uses a list of task entry objects. Task entry represents each of our tasks, and we will be shortly talking about it in more detail. Finally, add task activity will handle both adding and updating a task, depending on whether the intent contains an extra task ID. It also includes methods to get the priority, depending on the selected radio button, and to select the right radio button, depending on the priority.